Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this compatible for Leo ECH-S stainless steel horizontal multi-stage centrifugal water pump, then please visit the link provided in the description. Now, let's get into what makes this machine a serious performer for water distribution in home or industrial applications. So, when we talk about water pumps, most people picture those loud, bulky, and energy-hungry devices sitting in a corner, running endlessly with very little to show for it in terms of efficiency. But this model, the Leo ECH-S stainless steel horizontal multi-stage centrifugal water pump, takes that entire stereotype and flips it on its head. It's sleek, powerful, made for performance, and engineered with precision. This isn't your average pump. The ECH-S series is designed to handle multi-stage pressure with high efficiency, thanks to its precision-engineered stainless steel housing. Whether you're dealing with residential water supply, pressure boosting, or industrial circulation, this thing is built to last. You can instantly tell it's not just another off-the-shelf motor, it's a refined piece of technology made for continuous, reliable operation. Now, one of the first things you'll notice about the Leo ECH-1040S is its build quality. The entire unit feels solid. The stainless steel body is both corrosion-resistant and durable, which means it's ideal for long-term use, even in areas with high moisture exposure or fluctuating weather conditions. The horizontal design keeps the pump stable and reduces vibration, giving it a quieter, smoother operation. You can actually tell that attention to detail went into every component. The performance is where this model really shines. This particular version, the ECH-1040S, operates at 220 volts single-phase power, delivering consistent water flow even at higher heads. With a multi-stage centrifugal design, water passes through several impellers, increasing pressure at each stage. This results in higher efficiency, smoother operation, and reduced wear compared to single-stage pumps. In simple terms, you're getting more output per watt of energy consumed, and that's exactly what efficiency means. For those who want more technical precision, the multi-stage centrifugal system is essentially a chain of impellers mounted on a single shaft. Each impeller adds velocity and pressure to the fluid before it's sent to the next stage. What this does is allow for higher head heights without overloading the motor. That's why it's perfect for pressure boosting in buildings, irrigation, or even light industrial systems. The stainless steel build isn't just about looks. It's about longevity and hygiene. Stainless steel minimizes corrosion, prevents contamination, and resists the buildup of scale and rust, making it an ideal choice for clean water circulation systems. Plus, the polished surface design makes it easier to maintain, and you don't have to worry about regular paint peeling or oxidation. Now let's talk about the motor, the real heart of this pump. The Leo ECH-1040S features a high-efficiency motor designed for smooth performance and low noise. It's thermally protected, which means even if you're running it continuously, it won't overheat or burn out easily. The bearings and shaft alignment are also precisely balanced to minimize friction and enhance motor life. One of the most underrated things about a good pump like this is consistency. Most people only think about flow rate, but it's really the stability of the pressure and the reliability of the operation that make a pump valuable. The Leo ECH-S series excels at maintaining constant pressure without fluctuation, which is perfect for systems where uniform flow is critical, like showers, agricultural systems, or process plants. Energy consumption is another big win here. The design and motor combination are optimized for energy savings without compromising flow or pressure. Compared to older generation models, the ECH-S can reduce energy used by up to 20%, depending on your setup and usage frequency. That's not just good for your electricity bill, it's good for long-term sustainability too. Maintenance is something people often worry about with water pumps. But this model simplifies the process. Thanks to its modular assembly, parts like the impellers, mechanical seal, and motor can be serviced independently. You don't have to take the entire unit apart just to replace one section. And because it's stainless steel, cleaning and visual inspection are much easier. Installation is straightforward. The horizontal design makes it compatible with most existing piping systems without requiring complex repositioning. It's ideal for both domestic and commercial setups. Whether you're using it for a household water supply, a small farm irrigation system, or industrial fluid transfer, the Leo ECH-S fits right in. Noise is also surprisingly low. Multi-stage centrifugal pumps often run loud due to multiple impellers, but the engineering here manages to reduce operational noise substantially. So, if you're installing it in a home environment,